Imagine you run two ice cream shops in two faraway towns, and both must always show the exact same flavor menu. But what happens the very moment the phone line between them suddenly snaps in half? A distributed system is just one service running on many computers at once, like our ice cream chain spread across towns. We split the work so we can serve more customers and survive a single failure. But spreading out creates a brand new puzzle we must understand. So engineers gave this puzzle three wishes: consistency, everyone sees the same answer; availability, every request always gets a reply; partition tolerance, the system keeps working even if the network breaks. Three beautiful promises sitting at the corners of one famous triangle. Remember the menus. Consistency means both shops always show identical flavors. Add mint in one town, it instantly appears in the other. Nobody ever reads stale or wrong information. Whoever asks, wherever they ask, the answer is always the very same up-to-date truth. Availability means no customer is ever turned away. Walk up to either shop and someone always serves you immediately without a closed sign. Even when things are messy behind the counter, the door stays open and every single request gets a friendly, fast reply. Never silence. Now the scary one. A partition is when the phone line between shops breaks so they cannot talk. Partition tolerance means the system keeps running anyway, even while split apart. On the real internet, cables fail and storms happen, so this promise is not optional at all. Here is the twist that surprises everyone. The CAP theorem proves you cannot keep all three promises at the same time. You may pick any two corners of the triangle, but the third must be sacrificed. Reality simply will not let you have everything at once. Why? Picture the snapped phone line. A customer adds rum raisin to the left shop. The right shop cannot hear about it. Now you must choose: answer with an old menu or refuse to answer until the line returns. You literally cannot do both perfectly. The first path is CP, consistency plus partition tolerance. When the line breaks, the right shop simply says, "Please wait," rather than risk a wrong menu. It stays correct by refusing to answer. Banks love this because showing a wrong balance is far worse than waiting. The second path is AP, availability plus partition tolerance. Now the right shop keeps serving using its slightly old menu, so no customer waits. It might be a little stale, but the door never closes. Social feeds and shopping carts love this because being open beats being perfect. But AP is not careless. The instant the phone line is repaired, the two shops swap notes and update each other. Soon both menus match again. This catching up is called eventual consistency. May be stale for a moment, but guaranteed to agree once the connection heals. What about the third pairing, consistency plus availability with no partition tolerance? It only works if the network never, ever fails. On one single machine, that is fine. But across many computers on the real internet, breakages are certain, so pure CA is mostly a fantasy. So here is the practical secret. On any real network, partitions will happen, so partition tolerance is mandatory. That means your true choice is only between C and A during a breakage. CAP is really asking one question: when the line snaps, stay correct or stay open. You already use both kinds. Bank transfers and inventory counts choose CP, so numbers stay exact. Chat messages, likes, and product reviews choose AP, so apps feel instant and never freeze. The same tug-of-war quietly shapes almost every app glowing on your phone screen. So remember our two ice cream shops. Consistency, availability, partition tolerance. Pick two. Since the network always breaks, you really pick between staying correct and staying open. That single trade-off, hidden inside a simple triangle, secretly powers the entire connected world around you.